Hello, it's me and back, Naughty Trent, and for this video we've got a little update. So let's get into it. I had maintenance session. So I had Infinity Dreads come round to my house. This lovely lady called Laura, pretty sure it was Laura. Very sorry Laura if I've got this wrong. But she was really nice. She did a fantastic job and smashed it out in about 4 hours. And basically what she did, she went through with a crochet hook and she like tidied up all of the ends that were like flicking out sideways, so they all kind of go straight. Some of them have like the odd little wobble and bobble on them, but where I've only had these bits pulled in, all like the flyaways and the flicks and stuff, I've only had them pulled in after about 1.5 years of having the dreads. They'd obviously matured and it's a bit harder to have these things, but she managed to unpick some of the ends and get them all lovely and straight. She did all the roots as well, pulling in all of the loose hair that had grown and putting them all back into the sections, tightening them all up. I've got some beautiful photos. Unfortunately not of before. I've got 2 that I've picked from a previous video, and then I've got 3 nice photos of on the day that she actually did it. So I'll put them up now. And yeah, but I'll do a little spin for you so you can see this is a week in since the maintenance session, and I'll show you what we've got going on. So this is the front. We've still got this bit of hair. As you know, I like to keep this bit to protect my receding hairline, but what I'll do I'm going to pull this down like this so you can see the dreadlocks and give myself, what is it called, a devil's lock or something? Okay, so here we go. How's that? So yeah, a lot neater, a lot tidier. I'm really happy. So I'll just let you know a little bit more about Infinity Dreads and what she does. As she's got more going on than just dreadlock maintenance. She's got a website as well, and I'll put a link in the description below. And she makes real hair dreadlocks and ships them all over the world. They're really good. She can do wispy tips, blunt tips, and they've got like a little loop so you can literally attach them into your hair. You can take them out one day, you can stitch them in for permanent dreads, and yeah, she does all different colours and shapes and sizes. But yeah, go check out the website. She's got beads on there as well and some dreadlock tools, and yeah, really good. So check out what she does, and yeah, support local. Well, support my local. She's based in Kent, Ramsgate in Kent, so anywhere around there she can come to your home and do any dreadlock maintenance that you need doing if you are in this area. Peace out. Check out Infinity Dreads. Go get your dread maintenance done. Go get your real hair dreadlocks from their website. Peace and love.